Good morning students. Today our topic is force and different type of forces. Okay, so in previous video we define force. We see the definition of force. Now in this video we also discuss force with different type of forces. What is force? Now here what is force? Force is nothing but the pushing or pulling of an object. Force is nothing but the pushing and pulling of the object, which we already discussed in our previous video. The definition of force with respect to gravitational force and with respect to normal force. Force is the cause that changes the state of rest or motion of a body or changes the shape of an object. Also in this manner we can discuss or we can define the force. Now here see this example. In this example a man is push the car. Different type of forces. Now here we discuss the different type of forces. First example is contact force and second example is that's non-contact force. These are the two type of forces. Now first we discuss about contact force. What is mean by contact force? The force that acts on the body in contact is known as contact force. Means it appears when a force is touches to object. It means we touch the object. It is in the touching object. So the force contact force is nothing but the force which act body directly. For example, consider first force, that is muscular force, second is mechanical force and third is frictional force. These three are the type of contact forces. Now let us see muscular force. The force which is exerted by our muscles is called muscular force. Here example is that, let us see our example. If we stretch or pull any object, then we use our muscle. Or if we push a heavy load, also there is a contact between the object and the force. So it is contact force, that is muscular force. Also here in third examples we see that a boy is kick the ball. Here also muscular force is applied to the ball. Exerted by a machine is called as mechanical force. Force exerted by machine. It is also a contact force. It is the example of contact force. How? So let us see example. Now watch the example. Here a car. If we see this car, mechanical energy is used, but for that purpose we use petrol or diesel, and this force is nothing but the mechanical force, the force which is exerted by machine, and it is a contact force. This is the example of contact force, mechanical petrol or diesel, and the work is done by machines. Third one is, that is next one, frictional force. Okay, so in frictional force let us see the example. Here this is a table. On this table if we keep a book and push the book, after pushing the book, after some time it gets stopped. Let us see other one example. Suppose this is ball. Ball is kicked by a man. Then after covering a some distance, the ball stop. Now, why this is happen? Why this ball gets stopped? It is due to the force, that is the frictional force. When ball we push the ball, then the frictional force is acting its opposite direction, and this nothing but the frictional force which is act opposite to the direction of the force. And from this we can say that due to this interaction between them, that is the frictional force and apply force, after some time the object will be stopped or it come to be the state of rest. Just here when we see this example in also book. Now the contact forces, we discuss the contact forces, in which we discuss three type of forces: contact forces, muscular force, mechanical force, and frictional force. Muscular force is contact force due to the touching of muscle or muscular energy. Second one is mechanical energy, and third one is frictional which is oppose the initial force. Now again second type of force is that non-contact force. It is non-contact force. Now let's see the definition of non-contact forces. That is, this is without touching. Here the force is applied between two objects even if the two objects are not in contact, and such force is called non-contact force. There are different type of forces are here. Example, first example is that gravitational force. Gravitational force is also a non-contact force. Now let us see some example. This ball is thrown upward direction, but after getting, it reaches to some height and it get down toward the earth. It come back toward the earth. It is due to the gravitational force. After some time it will be fall on the ground. This is the gravitational force. This is the due to the gravity the ball is fallen. Now let us see second example. The fruit is fall toward the earth. These examples, all these are the examples of gravitational force, and gravitational force is non-contact force. It is the non-contact force. Now if we throw book, then again it come to the earth due to the earth gravitational. Everything which we throw, it will be normally get toward the earth due to the gravitational force. Our next force is that electrostatics force. Okay, so this electrostatics force we can explain. Now we discuss about the gravitational force. Here our next is the electrostatics force, which is also a non-contact force. Let us see this example. In this example we see that a electrostatics force, due to the electrostatics force, the particles of papers will be attracted by the comb. This is nothing but the electrostatic force. It is also a non-contact force. It is also a non-contact force. Now this is electrostatic force, which is non-contact force. Now last one is that magnetic force. Let's see the example. In this we see that some nails, some particles, that is iron particles, will be attracted by the magnet. Magnet attract the ions, but here it is we see here the force is applied between two objects even if the two objects are not in contact. The objects are not in contact, and so this magnetic force is nothing but the non-contact force. Let's see. Suppose we consider a magnet. Now these magnets will attract all the particles, that is the substance. It is a non-contact force. We see here contact force and non-contact force in this video. Okay.